Sorry I can't be with you today. Just done a quick screencast to go over what I expect you to complete during the timescale for today's lesson. So now you should know that we've moved on to assignment 4. So it's long-term adaptations to exercise. So what I've done is I've put you into groups here. So you've got tutor A here, and then tutor B here. So I've put you in specific groups. I want you to work in those groups, please, so I know exactly who is producing what kind of work. So in your groups, I've given you a specific area of the cardiovascular system that I want you to go away and research. So your actual task is to produce a PowerPoint slide. I don't mind if it's 1 or 2, but no more than that, please, in your group on the topic that I have specified for you. So for instance, Kyle, Rob and Tori, I want you to investigate the increase in cardiac output. So when you're working through it as a group, I want every single one of you there whilst you're working through this, please, as it should be done in the lesson time that we would usually have. You've got an hour and a half to get on with this work. So what you want to do is answer these 4 questions. So firstly, I want what is long-term exercise. I don't want you guessing, I want an absolute definition. You can find this in the course textbook or online. Let's try and get all different ones. So if you could do it online, that would be class. And then we can collate all the ones that you come up with next week when I'm back in with you. So yeah, defining what long-term exercise is, and then describing your part. So for instance, Orla, Harrison and Scott, you're on capillarization. So I want you to describe what that is for number 2, and then go on to how is it adapted by long-term exercise. So if you're continuously exercising for long periods of time, what happens to capillarization, for instance? What you want you to then do is give examples of when this is good or bad. So you're already getting that distinction criteria in. I don't want a PowerPoint just full of information copied and pasted off the internet. It's going to be really obvious to me if that happens. I want it nice and bright and pretty, okay? Pictures, examples, animations, colour. You've got an hour and a half to get this as jazzy as possible. Show me exactly how you like PowerPoints to look, so then I can then hopefully get mine better if you think they need to be. So this works both ways. You get it decent, and then I can improve mine if you think they do need improvement. I think they're pretty class already. Okay, so if you're struggling, first thing you need to do is the unit chapter. Okay, it's like we say all the time, unit chapter is there, and it contains nearly all the information you need. However, Google is also our second best friend. I would want you to all look on Google and get some independent research going within your group. Like I said, I'm expecting great things. So within you, I need you to email me your slides no later than 4:30 on Thursday. This is my email address, so I'm even giving you the link to it there. So I want to receive all of these, then what I will do is collate them into a PowerPoint, and then we'll use that as the base for next week's lesson. There will be repercussions for people that do not get this done. Please don't let me down. You've been class these last couple of weeks. Let's keep it up. Once again, I'm sorry that I can't be with you. Any problems or you're not sure, please message me. I should be available on message to help out if I can. If not, ask your friends. But please make sure that you're working as a group. Do not be that social loafer. We don't like those people. See you next week.